What's going on, everybody? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to transfer photos here from your iPhone into your MacBook device. I'm going to quickly show you the easiest and the fastest way of doing this. I'm going to show you two different ways in today's video, and by the end of the video you'll be able to send photos and videos from your Photos app in here into your MacBook device the best and the most convenient way. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So the very first method is by sharing through AirDrop in here. For example, you've got in here your MacBook device, and first things first, we need to hop into Finder here by tapping on the inferior left corner, and next up we need to immediately tap here on AirDrop at the top left corner. Okay, here at the left side where we've got these tabs in here, we need to tap here on AirDrop. Now once you're here on AirDrop, you want to make sure that your device discovery is set to everyone in here, right? So make sure you select everyone and that your computer or MacBook is actually visible and able to be discovered by other devices, okay? So once you've done that, you'll go straight into your iPhone in here, and then you'll be able to open your Photos app in here, and then simply select the number of photos you wish to share, right? For example, tap here on select, and then manually select the images. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, these are the 5 pictures that I wish to select. Now, if you want to select more, you can also use your finger and do this in order to keep on selecting more and more photos. Or you can also use your finger to deselect by going that way. Next up, simply tap here on share, and then simply tap here on AirDrop. You'll be able to see your MacBook device over here, and then simply tap once on it and it's gonna send it to your MacBook. As you can see, we've got over there an option which says receiving, and the image is going to be shared in a few seconds. Okay, simply wait for a couple seconds and this should be done. As you can see here on your device, it also shows sending. Just wait for a couple more seconds. Now, once the process is done, you'll be able to see your Finder opening up automatically and showing all the images that you've sent. As you can see in here, we've got all the images being transferred and selected back there. Now, next thing you're going to be doing is simply storing those specific images in a specific folder that you wish in order to save them. Now, we've got a second way of doing this, and the second way is actually the fastest way. For example, if you wish to share large files, including videos which occupy a lot of space, I would recommend you guys by going with this second method right here. So in order to go with the second method, you're gonna need, of course, your mobile phone, your iPhone. That's the main thing you're gonna need in here. And then you're gonna need a cable, which in my case, for example, it's gonna be the Type-C to Type-C cable in here because I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro, which comes here with a Type-C port down here. Now, if you have a different one which doesn't have a Type-C port, it has a Lightning one, simply go with the Lightning to Type-C or with the USB if your MacBook supports USB entrance. In my case, I've got Type-C ports over there and Type-C port down here as well. So we'll simply connect it over here, and then the other end, we're gonna connect it into our laptop device. Real quick, here we go. It's now connected, and make sure you unlock your device in here. Now, throughout the process of unlocking your device, it might ask you if you want to trust your computer or not. Simply tap on trust if it's the first time connecting to your MacBook device. Next up, once this is done, we're going to hop into Photos here on our MacBook device. As you can see, we've got photos down here, and if you're unable to see it here in your dock, simply open up Launchpad real quick in here and then search for Photos. You can simply type in PHOT. You'll be able to see Photos app down here, okay? So once you find Photos app, simply double tap on it in order to open Photos app. So here we are, I'm now on Photos, and the next thing I'm gonna be doing in here is simply tap on my device, which is gonna show up here on the left tab, okay? So my device is known as Shaq. Simply tap here on check and you'll be able to see this message which says preparing to import photos from Shaq, okay, from my iPhone device. So these are all images here located in my iPhone device. So what you're going to do next is simply select as many pictures as you wish to select. For example, if you want to select this one and then this one and then this one, 3 pictures, simply select those 3 pictures using your trackpad and then tap here on import 3 selected. Now, if you wish to select, for example, your entire library, simply deselect the pictures and then tap here on import all new items. This is going to import every single picture that you do not have on your MacBook device yet. This is specific for situations where you want to back up your entire library that you've got on your phone. If you want to save up space, you can go with import all new items. But in this case, I'm going to select, for example, this one, and this one. Next up, I'm going to tap here on import 3 selected here at the top right corner. Once you tap on import 3 selected, those 3 pictures are going to be brought into your device and the device will automatically open up the imports section here from your MacBook device and you'll be able to see those 3 new pictures that you've just imported into your MacBook device. So here we go. We've got all pictures imported and next up, you can now have access to those pictures without the need of actually having your phone connected. And as you can see, this was a lot faster because we've got a physical cable connected into our computer and iPhone device. This is how easy you can actually transfer, import, or backup your photo library, videos, and all your gallery by copying it into your Mac. Thank you for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.